Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Montane Terra Pants or trouser to our UK audience. These are super popular amongst adventurers out there because they're lightweight, they're super reliable, and they just tick all the boxes. I myself have owned several pairs over the years, and I personally think they're great. I really do like them. Anyway, let's talk about the key features. So first off, they're 4 seasons. So you can wear them in spring, summer, autumn and winter. Obviously, depending on the type of weather that you're going to be going, it just means that they can be like in the winter time, you might have a base layer underneath there or waterproof trousers over the top. But basically what it means is no matter what sort of weather or conditions that you're going to be hiking or going on an adventure in, these will cater to you. They will keep you nice and cool during the summer, and they will keep you nice and warm in the winter. That's mainly due to the Teflon technology or fabric that this trouser has. It means they're super lightweight, ideal for, scrambling or climbing in the summertime, but also as well, they are super strong, and there's ripstop material in the areas that count. Again, I'll show you that in more detail a little bit later. And lastly as well, they are water resistant as well. So there's a DWR coating on the outside. So as long as you maintain that now and again, you reproof the trouser, they should beat off any light rain, or if you're walking in in the mist or anything like that, they will help just keep the first defense against that water going into your core, your core body temperature on your legs, should I say. So that's the key features. I'm going to stop blubbering on about that. Let's take a closer look at the trouser / pant themselves. So first off, what I'd like to talk about, obviously you get this buckle or the belt system with the trouser, which is really cool. It looks very traditional from the front, but actually on the back, it has, should I say, a slight elastication. Now what that means is it hugs you. The material on the inside along the band is nice and soft, so that means even though it's hugging you, it's not going to feel too rough on there. But the way that the elastication works, it being very subtle, it means if you are scrambling, if you are doing some fast-paced hiking or climbing, it just means it's going to hold the top part. It's going to hold nicely around your waist, which is awesome, which again, for the fast-paced activities is really good. You've got your 2 traditional hip pockets on there, zipped, so whatever you pop in there will stay safe and secure. I've got a large to extra large hand, and there is tons of space in here. To aid with the breathability, you obviously have mesh pockets on there, and the zip system itself on the pocket is really cool. Down the side, so you've got this grey paneling on here again. That is nice and soft, it's super strong. There is a little bit of flex on there, but then you have this black paneling as well. So this black paneling, again, I think it's pretty much the same material. It's just a little bit more abrasive. So this is kind of key areas where, you're going to be up against the rocks or anything, or heavy duty areas. And this is also where the ripstop material is. So these are hard wearing. So basically all the black patches on these trousers are the super abrasive hard wearing areas. And again, like I said, I've had these before. Even though it feels a little bit too lightweight for that, for them to be super abrasive, but they really are. They really can take a beating. And that black paneling pretty much goes all the way round and down and round the back of the trouser. You've got a little zip system on here as well on the side. And again, that just opens up the trouser. So if you are wearing these in the spring, summertime, or if you are doing a bit of activities and you get that little bit hot, you can open up that zip, and then again, it's mesh lined, so that's going to help the cool air come in and obviously the hot air escape as well. So again, like I said, this really does tick the boxes for all types of adventures. And on the bottom of the trouser, you've got this popper system and this zip system. So the popper system is, once you've got the trouser over your boot or your trail shoe, if you want to seal it off, you're more than, you basically can. So you can tighten it around your ankle. Again, means the trouser is going to work with you if you are scrambling or if you are climbing. If you have boots and they're slightly wider, you do have a zip system as well to get them on and off, or to put the trouser over the boots itself, zip it up, and then that means it's just going to be nice and snug around the boot. And again, using that popper system just keeps that all in place. The back itself, again, over the bum, you've got that reinforced material, and you have one back pocket. Again, you've got the zip, extra large hand. There's not lots of space in there. And again, it is mesh lined, which means breathability. Whatever you pop in there, zip it up and that will stay safe and secure. The back paneling itself is that graham material, because again, it's going to be more hard wearing on the back there. But as you can see, the black material wraps from the front, wraps around the back, and then that's going to be the back of your walking boot or your walking shoe. So these are a great pair of trousers. And who are they for? Every single hiker or adventurer out there. It doesn't matter whether you're going to be backpacking, scrambling, climbing, or walking your local trails. If you're after a pair of trousers that does everything, you know, like I said, you can walk around your local woods round by the beach and you'll be absolutely fine. Next day, you're hitting your scrambling trails. These trousers will perform. They tick all the boxes. They are super popular with hikers, scramblers, climbers, and all types of adventurers. In hotter climates, they're going to be nice and lightweight and nice and breathable. And even if it is a little bit hot, like I said, open up those side zips and that's just going to enable some circulation on your legs. And in winter time, just due to the overall performance, they will trap the air and keep you warm. And with that water resistance as well, they will keep you dry as a first defense. But again, you wear some base layers underneath or some waterproof trousers over the top and you'll be good to go with these trousers. They do tick all the boxes. So yeah, they're ideal for all types of adventures, from low level standardized hiking to, you know, or walking, to actual hardcore climbing. These will definitely do the job. Anyway, if you want any more information about the Terra Pants, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below in our YouTube channel. And whilst you're over there, what you'll notice, we do two cool things. At the moment, we've got a really cool initiative, which is place an order, plant a tree. So for every order that is placed on our website, webtogs.com, we are going to be planting a tree for future generations, which within itself is awesome. But we're not what should get my words in, Sean. What not a lot of people do know is that our warehouse is one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the world. As of recording, we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5%. So what does that mean? Well, that means it's reducing our carbon footprint and then your carbon footprint as well. But marrying the two up does something rather special. So that one tree that we will be planting for future generations actually offsets and wipes out the carbon footprint of 3 other Webtog orders. And guess what? Those 3 other Webtog orders are also going to be planting a tree. So it's just helping reduce the carbon footprint of our company and obviously you guys ordering from our website, and just generally making the world a better place by reducing our carbon footprint overall. So yeah, it really is a win-win. Anyway, to find out more about that, just head over to the link. Again, that's going to be pinned in the comments below, and you can find out and read up all about our plant a tree with every order initiative, as well as our eco-friendly warehouse. I'm going to stop blabbering on there. Thanks for watching and happy trails.